If you want to invest in gold right now, let me tell you how you can maximize your return. Means no additional taxes, no unnecessary deduction and replica gold price for today. Now most influencer will say that the best way to invest in gold is through an ETF, the gold ETF. But the question is what ETF and which ETF you should pick it and how you should pick it. Let's understand gold ETF first. Gold ETF tracks the exact price of gold. The AMC buys the gold from the money that you pay to them and stores it safely in vaults. The ETF are like shares in your Demat account and you can sell them whenever you want. But now the big question comes, how do you invest in it and which ETF should you pick? So log into your Demat account and search gold ETF. You will see a number of options like HDFC, Nippon, Axis, etc. etc. But the question is which one should you pick? You will compare them on three important factors. But before moving on, like and follow my channel so that you can get in-depth finance content firsthand. Let's begin. The first is expense ratio. This is the commission they charge you and the typical range is 0.2% to 0.5%. But even 0.1% is important because it compounds over years, so choose wisely. Second is tracking error. How perfectly the ETF is tracking the price of real gold and what's the difference. You want a fund where the tracking error is the lowest, ideally under 0.3%, so you get the purest return. And the third is liquidity and AUM. This is the most important one. This is your safety net. Liquidity is very important so that you can sell easily without getting your money stuck. Low AUM means lower number of people buying the fund. This is hazardous and you should not ignore this factor. Look for AUM above 2000 crore and high trading volume. That means thousands of buyer and seller every single day. Remember, these metrics change with time and do your own homework before buying any asset. Now save this and share it with someone who needs it. If you want me to share the name of top 3 gold ETF, then comment below gold ETF and I will DM it to you. CA Bilal Khan signing off.